Thomas of the Sales Tax Sisters and Thomas and Thomas PC, reaching out to let you know about the upcoming Texas Taxes for the Construction Industry Seminar, which we hold every year, several times a year. And it is a 4-hour jam-packed seminar about sales and use tax and construction services in Texas. We talk about project types, contract types, entity types, all those interesting things like, lump sum contracts versus separated contracts, maintenance, repair and remodeling versus new construction, exemption certificates, resale certificates. It is a cornucopia of sales tax goodness and fun. I am going to put the links below so you can take a look and see if you can come. And with that, have a good day, everybody. Thanks for finding us. Bye.